Welcome to Intelus and to the Duet platform. Duet's no-code approach enables non-machine learning experts to build document classifiers and entity extractors for their unstructured text data starting with no labeled data. Duet has a three-step process to build models. First, import your unlabeled data. Second, teach Duet the semantics of your model the way that you teach another human iteratively. Third, deploy your model. This video will show you how to assess your classifier model quality while engaging in the second step of teaching your model. As you teach Duet how to classify your customer support tickets, the top right of the page will update to reflect the total number of documents that you've labeled thus far. The labeled counters next to each schema category on the right will also update after the model automatically trains with the new label you just submitted. A single document can be labeled with only one category, such that the total number of labels for the categories will match the count of labeled documents on the top right. Once a schema category has received 5 labels, the quality indicator next to each category will update with every model update to give you a sense of model quality. Quality indicators represent how well the system can make predictions about unseen tickets. This is why it updates with each new action. It is testing itself against the new input and reevaluating in real time. But you can see with the most recent update, the quality metric value fluctuates radically. This is because there are not enough labels or enough features. Let's check back in on this later to see how the quality metric changes as we get more labels and features. If your labeling differs from the system's predictions, there will be a conflict, and the system will likely suggest features to improve its understanding. Adding features can often be an important discriminating factor in your model's quality. We have a conflict here. Look at the suggested features. I think that methods will help us resolve the conflict. Let's review and add it to the model. You can see the model quality rises. You should aim to get the quality metric on each schema category to match human performance. We define human performance as the level of agreement between 2 or more labelers tagging the same ticket. For example, in this ticket triaging problem, we know that human performance is at 85%. With Duet, aim at increasing the quality metric and you can quickly and easily supersede traditional model quality ranges. Now that we've added more features and labels, our quality metric is higher. Let's see what happens as we add a new label. The quality metric is much more stable and will fluctuate within a very small range. Once you've reached your target quality metrics, click the Test tab at the top. You can test Duet interactively by typing, copying, and pasting a piece of text, or by retrieving a random document from the dataset associated with the model one query at a time. Type, "Can you please help me change my order?" and then click Test. Analyze the model prediction results and check the confidence score. You can provide a few sample queries to get a quick idea of whether you need to return to teach your model more and improve its quality. You can improve manually labeled test sets so that you get an independent assessment of the quality of your models. Test sets for documentation are uploaded in CSV format, with 3 columns that show the text document with a column name text and the full path of the category in the schema. For instance, payment and payment methods, with the column name subcategory, and whether the label is positive or negative with the column name label. You can download a schema format example in our documentation. Select the Upload Test Set button in the Test Your Model widget. Once you upload a test set in the proper format, Duet will calculate a quality metric for each category in the schema. With all this, Duet helps you build your model with AI in just a few hours.